What's up, YouTube? It's Jasmine Jazzy B. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back. I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back. In this video, I will be basically unboxing my very first headband wig. Never had a headband wig before, but I purchased one because I wanted to, try it out. So I'm going to be unboxing it, and I'm going to be showing you guys my first impression of the headband wig. So stay tuned, and we're going to get right up into this video. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button, like this video, and please leave a comment. But we're going to get into this video. Okay, so I don't have the box to this hair. I threw the box away because I didn't plan on doing an unboxing, but I decided at the last minute to do an unboxing of this hair, so it's just in the bag. But this is the hair. It came in a bag. It's a headband wig. This hair is from IC on Amazon, so I ordered it from Amazon Prime, and it came like 2 days later, so really fast shipping. And the hair is from IC Hair on Amazon.com. I'll put all the information and the link down below. And you take the hair out the bag. So the hair came with some eyelashes that I'm probably not going to use. These are kind of nice though. You see these eyelashes? These are nice. Probably not going to use these. It also came with an extra headband. I have like 20,000 headbands, so this will come in handy. So it came with the extra little headband. And this is the hair. So it's a headband wig. This is how it's looking. The texture is afro curly. So the texture is afro curly, and it's 22 inches. So this is 22 inches. And the color is natural black. So this is how the hair looks. So because it's natural black, I'm most likely gonna dye it jet black because I like jet black hair. I just think natural black doesn't look good on me. So I'm most likely gonna dye this jet black, and I might do a video for that to show you guys how I dye my wigs and my weaves. But yeah, so this is natural black, but I'm gonna dye it jet black. And this is how it's looking. It comes with a headband, and it has like a little Velcro thing, I guess, so you can adjust it and make it tight. It also has some clips inside, so you can put the clips so it can be like more secure, because you gotta make sure your wig is secure. So yeah, it has the clips inside. Okay, so I'm loving this curl at the top. So there's like a kinky curl pattern at the top, which is beautiful. I love it. I love it. But like when you get down here to the bottom of the wig and like in the middle of the wig, the kinky curl pattern kind of disappears. So it's just like, where's the rest of the curls? Like it's just curls at the top. But then when you get to the bottom and when you get to the middle of the wig, the kinky curl pattern disappears. So that's the one negative thing I have to say about this wig. The curls are beautiful, but then they disappear. So that's one con. I will say a pro is the adjustable headband strap, because you can kind of adjust it and make it as tight or as loose as you want it in the clips. So that's a pro. Okay, another good thing about this wig is the smell. It doesn't have a harsh or like a strong odor. It smells pretty good, because usually when you get wigs and get hair from these companies, sometimes it's like a harsh smell. But smell test approved, it passed, and it smells pretty good. All right, so now it's time to do a water test and see how this hair holds up and like what does it do when it hits water. So let's see. Okay, it's kind of looking good with the water on it. Okay, so it seems like the curl pattern is becoming more defined when I do spray the water in it, so that's a good thing. Because I'm like, the pattern disappears when it gets to the bottom, but I guess all you have to do is spray some water into the hair and the curl pattern comes back. So it looks pretty good. All right, so that's a good thing. The curl pattern comes back when you do wet the hair. So this is 22 inches, Afro Kinky. It's a headband wig, my very first headband wig. Never had a headband wig before. So yeah, so it's Afro Kinky. Natural black is the color, and it's 22 inches. All right, so I'm gonna put the link in the description below to where I got this hair from. And stay tuned because I am going to install this after I dye it. So I'm going to do a video of me dyeing this, and then I'm going to do a video of me installing this in my hair. So stay tuned because I'm going to put them out back to back. So yeah, so I'm going to record myself installing this and dyeing it. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. And yep, that's it. That's my unboxing.